morning. We had a super windy night. It was blowing like this all night long. You see the tents. But we slept really good. And we didn't freeze or anything because we have so many layers of clothes on. And I was a little bit cold on her back because she don't have a sleeping bag. She only got the quilt. But she said it was okay anyway. So this is the start of the day. Now we're packing up the tents and fixing all the things for our short trip today. So maybe a 10k walk or something like that. So this is going to be a short day. We're going to hit the grocery store to refill the backpacks. And we have an apartment for today, I think. Yes, I think it was an apartment. So we can cook food and everything. We need a little bit more extra calories for today. And this spot was absolutely awesome. We had the dinner over there in the little hole, and we took a swim over here so we can all three of us clean up. So it was a perfect day and nice conditions as well. And when you wake up to this views, we got the sunset over there. I hope you have seen yesterday's video in the end there with the sunset. It was absolutely stunning. And lovely Catherine, she cooked water to us this morning, so we just could sit up and drink a cup of coffee, and that was nice. So we skipped breakfast and just start walking because it's too windy here to make food, but she found a nice place with a spot with a stone and everything, so she did really good, and that was super appreciated to get a hot cup of coffee before you start walking. So in 15 minutes or so we're gonna start walking, so see ya.
Good morning, guys. Now we're walking. We have about 10 kilometers to walk. It's going to be a lot of downhill. The last few of them are going to be challenging. But here is highway. It's a real highway to walk on. And we just had some coffee, no breakfast. Because it's too cold. Oh yeah, actually I'm not hungry anyway. So, hike on to Hamra and resupply. Now we're crossing this one. We are across a few of these streams, but it's just fine. And down there, Swan Lake, they call this. The name is like an operette, I think. More water. And this lovely path to walk on. Not so many big rocks, it's just fine. So a happy day again. I'm sorry to mention that so many times, but I feel that every day. Every day, it's I'm happy to be here. I'm obligated to be able to walk here with the views, with nice people, and soon to Hamra. And I said that we are going to walk down very steep, but maybe there is a lift there, and if that lift is rolling, I will be rolling with it. I can assure you that, because if I had the opportunity to not walk down a ski hill, I will not do that because my feet are hurt too much. But there's where to see. We have a few more kilometers until we get there, and more water to cross, but just more mud than water. see people, we see cars. So we must be close to civilization. There's a lift, and the lift is not in motion. So we have to be walking down. But it will be just fine because we have maybe 40-45 minutes left to walk. So we are very close. And here people they're riding their bikes. It's a great...
Follow this way for 550 meters.
You hear the drunken lady in my belly bag? Just follow this trail. How do people dare to bicycle down here? I had a bicycle myself to death. But for those people who can, this must be so fun. Because it's going to be really fast, maybe do some jumps. And look at this. Like in this curve. I would be so afraid, so afraid. And as you can see, we're almost done there. Oh, so many buildings. Many times we saw a building, many days since we saw so many buildings.
Hey.
Hey. So under here, it's snow. So if we want, we can dig in and make a snow hut. They can do so much these days. But I know they've done this more south down Sweden as well. They cover it up. So it stays there until next year.
Catherine's vegan dish. I'll go for the fish with the potatoes and shrimp and maybe some bacon things in there. And of course a salad and with potatoes as well, so a lot of potatoes. And bready for me. What did you go for?
I go for the same. And water. Delicious meal.
It looks so fancy.
So what a brunch.
And you got a lot of butter in your. I got less butter.
Look at this. I have a lake of butter.
Yeah, but you like the lakes.
You don't have so much.
Yeah, I don't have any.
I got yours as well.
Yeah, so good.
We are a fancy restaurant, and the only thing on me smells good is my hands.
Yeah, because they have runny water in restaurants with soaps and everything. So good. Enjoy.
I have cantarella.
Yeah. The lunch is down. Oh, it was delicious. A little bit too much butter, melted butter, but it was delicious anyway. So now we're walking here. We have our not laundry, our linen in this.
Yeah, there is 60
Yeah, and we are number 8.
And the lovely lady, she updated us to a bigger room.
One time.
The lovely lady updated us to a bigger room with a laundry machine in the room. Because I said we are walking all the way to Sweden, and she said, oh, I hook you up with a bigger room. So we got happy, of course.
Of course, we have washing machine, laundry machine. So I've been into the sport shop and buying I don't know the name again.
No, something for these pants.
Yeah.
So they get a little bit more water resistant.
I'm going to wash them with some specific detergent to make them waterproof and dirty proof. So we have got it all. And she's smiling. We're happy.
Yeah, we're home.
We're home.
Yeah. for 2 nights. Oh my God.
And we're home. Number 8. And it's a big one. So we have a huge hall. And here you can put your things to dryer, because most people are here in winter time with wet clothes. So, and look at I'm hot on my feet, on my feet. And we have just a toilet. Just and look here.
Yeah.
We have fridge. We have this.
We have sauna.
We have sauna.
Yeah.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming. Washing machine.
No, not dishwasher.
Couch. Balcony. We have a balcony, a good TV, and a huge table. Huh? I will coming. 1 bedroom. 2 bedrooms. Here we have the shower. Oh, here was a shower. Toilet and a shower.
Yeah, more showers.
And more showers. A laundry machine and more. How many showers do we need? We have 1 each. And a sauna. Can't believe this. This is luxurious. I'm so happy. And here we have our bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put the mattress the other direction,
Yeah.
I think.
And here. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Catherine had a lot of beds to choose from. A lot of beds. But we will stick to the big one. But what an apartment.
Other side. Yeah.
So now we will get dressed and we will get to the grocery store.
And if we have the time, I will empty the camera before we go along while we are gone.
So we have 2 toilets and 3 showers.
Yeah. And a lot of showers in the sauna.
Yeah. So we will be just fine with running water.
Yeah.
Just fine.
Oh my God, this is nice. And nice little feast for dinner for today. So a lot of veggies, topped off with veggies, and some ground beef in the bottom. And of course here you can see the stuff. We have bad lighting. And here's a plate of veggies. Here's a ground beef with some mushrooms, bell pepper, some vegan shit. And then we got the apple pie, blueberry pie for dessert. And I think maybe Anna will have them both.
And ice cream.
And ice cream. Yeah. She bought the Ben & Jerry's, I think. Look at that. But thank you for coming along on day 61, 2. Is the white reindeer still there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will run to the white reindeer. Wait for
We
it.
have reindeers in the garden.
Yeah, we have a garden reindeer. I don't see him. Yeah, up there. I hope you can see him. A big white reindeer. But beautiful. So, end of the day, thumb up, make a nice comment, subscribe, hit the bellies thingies. And we don't see you tomorrow, because tomorrow we have a 0. No walking, just makan all day.